7 things I'm watching this 20th week of 2023. Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Julian. On my channel, it's all about making you cryptofit. I discuss the beautiful world of decentralization, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and general markets. It's been a bit of a disruptive week last week. When you look at the prices, most coins are down about 10%, and some a bit more, some a bit less. And it's not entirely clear why. I just think a lot of it has to do with a bit of a waiting, a bit of a pessimistic reaction in general with the economy, uncertainty, all things that we have been discussing over the past weeks in all the updates. So I think that's where we're standing with all that a bit. And obviously the one topic that I would love to lead here with is BUSD, because it's been something we've been watching. It's been something I've been addressing, I think, for the past 2 months now, maybe a bit longer even. And we've actually seen, I think, $300 million worth of BUSD being sold off last week. And still, the market actually went down. And so why is that? And I'm not 100% sure why that is. It could be because maybe those BUSD that got sold off come back as USD a bit later. Could be. Could be that they're not from Binance and there's no cycling anymore. Could be. Could be that we were just wrong in those in the last 5 months. I personally just think that it's actually gonna take a little bit for cycling some of the USD, and I also think that it's not as clear cause and effect every single time. So I do think there is to a certain extent, you have to wait a bit, always with the time delay, on when these USD actually come back and pump the Bitcoin price up. So that is the first thing. And I'm gonna be watching it this week as well, just because it has been one of the best signals to kind of trade or follow in the past week, with an S. So first thing. Second thing, we have the Bitcoin Miami Conference this week, and ahead of that, I think on Thursday, we have the Ordinals Conference. Part of our team is also going to be there. If you're there, say hi. I'll try to get some insights as well from that. Why am I pointing this out? Well, generally, that conference has not been good for prices. So in the past years, every time that conference happened, during that week, prices were actually abysmal. Now, I doubt that this is causation. I think it's more correlation, but I'm optimistic. I hope for this we are not going to have that same kind of setback. So fingers crossed. Let's see. Let's hope what's possible there. So yeah, key thing. Third one, and I think it's as straightforward as can be. Meme coin hype. It's absolutely bonkers right now. It's BRC20 tokens, ERC20 tokens, gas fees pumping up, Bitcoin fees pumping up. So let's see how that continues. Very, very, very hard to make predictions in the whole thing. So let's see a bit what's going to happen there. Is this hopium, is all this kind of, pumping and then dumping going to continue or not? Let's see. Number 4, we're going to switch a bit into the general markets here. We do have basically the final week here of the key earnings, and especially retail, Walmart, Alibaba. So that's going to be an interesting one, I'm telling you, because it gives us a bit of a sense of what's happening on the retail side of things. How is the consumer sentiment? So that is gonna give us a bit of an insight into all of that. And that brings me to the next topic, and that's G7. So we do have the G7 conference in Hiroshima in Japan. Obviously, crypto always comes up as a topic there. And so let's see. Regulation. Quite tricky, or a bit difficult in my opinion, to kind of gauge and judge what could happen there. So let's see. We do have number 6, AI. I know this is about crypto here, but AI, it has a very strong influence on the crypto side as well. There's a lot of hype around this also in crypto. this week there's quite some AI topics on the regulatory front. Sam Altman, who is also the founder of WorldCoin, is, I think, speaking in front of Congress. And so let's see how that's gonna kind of flip the piece here. And yeah, two final things from my own. First, we went on a company retreat last week. Entire week was great seeing everyone close together, strong bonding, very creative. Let's see how that burst of energy is gonna come out over the next couple of weeks. So that was really nice. If you subscribe to my newsletter, ceonews.cakedefi.com, I actually shared a picture from there. Let me know what do you think about it. So yeah, that's cool. And last but not least, MetaChain is going into testnet this week. So yeah, we are really ramping up there. So I know that DeFi prices and DeFi chain as a whole has had a rough couple of weeks, just like many altcoins. And I understand that. Look, I'm an investor myself, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel. So yeah, testnet going live, and mainnet, if everything goes well, should then be ready just as planned by the end of Q2. So in the next month, that's quite exciting, because that's gonna give it quite some momentum. So yeah, quite some stuff to look forward to. Let me know if I missed anything on the points. You can let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, tomorrow, Tuesday, we do have our long format Twitter space on the company's account. Take a look at the YouTube channel there, and I'll keep you posted during the week if there's anything else that's important. So with that, stay healthy, stay safe, have a good start into this 20th week of the year, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. If you get value out of this, subscribe. Yours truly, Julian. Bye-bye.